Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to import data from a specific cell on another sheet. As you can see, uh, now I'm on the first one or the sheet number one, and I want, for example, import this value here to this uh, cell here. So all we have to do is to use a formula. So we initiate our formula with the equal operator, and now we will have to write the name of the spreadsheet. As you can see, my sheet names is a name. So we are going to write name, and we will add exclamation mark so it can refer to sheet. Now we will add the coordinations of our cell. So the value that we want is the C10. All we have to go to write is C10, and it will uh, import the value. As you can see, it is exactly 77. Let's try it with the sheet number 3. Uh, let's just add some value, for example, item. So I have my value here in the C4 and the sheet named sheet 3. So all we have to do is to click on equal and sheet exclamation mark and sheet 3 exclamation mark, and it was C4. As you can see, it refers to my uh, spreadsheet or to my sheet or the cell that is here in the sheet 3. There is another way is by clicking on equal and just hit to the cell that you want, and you can just click on the cell that you want, and it will write the formula automatically. So after clicking OK, as you can see, it automatically writes my formula. So it is named name exclamation mark and p6 or coordination of our cell. So those are the methods or the way to import data from another sheet. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.